Unlocking potential. The sky's the limit. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that's all about ambition, dreams, and possibilities. The sky's the limit. This saying is packed with inspiration and optimism, and understanding it can not only boost your English skills but also your motivation. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The sky's the limit is an idiomatic expression used to convey that there are no limits or boundaries to what someone can achieve. It suggests that there's infinite potential for success, growth, and achievement, much like the endless expanse of the sky. When someone says this phrase to you, they're essentially telling you that you can achieve anything you set your mind to, without any restrictions. While the exact origins of "the sky's the limit" are somewhat unclear, it's widely believed to have gained popularity during the early 20th century. It reflects the era's rapid advancements in aviation and the sense of boundless opportunity that came with the ability to fly. This phrase captures the spirit of that time, an era when people started to believe that with technology and determination, they could reach previously unthinkable heights. Let's put this phrase into context with some examples. After graduating top of her class, Maya felt like the sky's the limit for her career in medicine. Don't let small setbacks discourage you. Remember, the sky's the limit, the coach encouraged his team. In the world of technology and innovation, the sky's the limit. New advancements are being made every day. These examples show how the phrase can be used to inspire and encourage people in different scenarios, from personal achievement to team sports and technological innovation. And that wraps up our exploration of "the sky's the limit." We hope this video has inspired you to reach for your dreams and remember that there are no boundaries to what you can achieve. English is not just a language. It's a tool that opens up a world of possibilities, much like the phrase we discussed today. Keep learning, keep striving, and remember, the sky's the limit. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.